In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run time tracking reports in QuickBooks Time using the current desktop interface. By the end, you'll be able to confidently monitor hours worked, labor costs, and overall team activity right from your browser. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Time account on a desktop browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and click Reports. This is your hub for everything from payroll summaries to detailed activity logs. Next, choose the category that matches what you want to see. Payroll reports are ideal for pay runs, including options like Hour Summary by Team Member and Wage Report. If you need granular detail, Itemized Total Time shows the exact time entries recorded by each team member. Schedule reports help you compare planned versus actual work with options like Scheduled versus Worked and Tardies. Exceptions flag issues that need attention, such as less than X hours worked, not yet approved or submitted, and geofence timesheet exceptions. If you're moving data elsewhere, exports let you pull groups and group managers, customers, or team members. For audit trails and balances, check logging and auditing, including approvals history, time-off balances, system log, and timesheet log. Finally, tracking is great for job and cost insights. Job costing by team member, GPS points, mileage tracking, plus hours by date, by team member, by full customer, by group, and by top-level customer. Click the specific report you want to run. For example, choose hours by team member if you're reviewing who worked how much within a period. Then set your report dates. You can switch to a weekly or monthly view, or choose a custom date range to match your pay period or a specific project timeline. Before running it, configure the filters to shape your results. Use Group By to organize the data, such as team member, job code, or customer. If you want a second layer, add Then By for a more detailed breakdown. Check. Include unpaid breaks if your policy requires it to properly reflect total hours. Narrow the scope by filtering customers, groups, or specific team members, billable status, or service item to focus on exactly what you need. Click Run Report to generate your results. When you're ready to save or share, scroll to the bottom and choose Download Grid, CSV or Download List CSV, or XLSX, depending on how you prefer to work with the data in your spreadsheet tool. Repeat these same steps for any other report you want to analyze, so you can build a complete picture across payroll, schedules, exceptions, and tracking. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.